Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing, we're just going to be making slime for my friends, so let's get started. Sorry. And also, please subscribe and like and comment down below, say Slime Squad, to be shout out in my next video. Also, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So on to the video. Yo. Sorry, that's from Just a Mirror. Okay, oh my gosh, my puppy, he got cut today because, I don't know what happened, but he got cut, not cut, like, shaved. He is literally a whole new puppy. If you watch my other videos, you could see how fluffy he is. Now he's like a whole new puppy. So, y'all, just go. Okay, I'm going to get my ingredients. Okay, so we have the glue. Alexa, I'm not talking to you, sorry. We have baking soda, markers.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
It's Alexa, sorry. Just in case they want like colored slime. We have a container to mix with, and then we have containers like when we're done with all the slimes. So let's get started. So first we're gonna make it for my first friend that she wanted. She wanted a like sorry, I couldn't think, but she wanted like a peachy color, so let's get started. Okay. So yeah, so she just wanted a regular slime. No glue left. That's bad. I'll show you when I have all the glue, and I'm gonna do this for all my 3 friends. Guys, this is literally taking so long. Sorry for the background noise. This is literally taking so long. I'm trying to get a lot out so that it could fill up this container so that I could put it for 3 of my friends. So I think I'm just gonna add some water to make it a little bigger. Not a lot. So yeah, we're just gonna add the water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the cap on, but then just in case more comes out, I'm just gonna leave it down like that. Water time. Okay, sorry. So I got the water. I'm just gonna add a little bit into the mixture. There. Now we're gonna mix. Sorry. Not good at snapping. Oh, that was cool. It's all mixed already. Oh, just, that's so weird. Look, it's already all mixed. Okay, next step is the baking soda. So I'm just gonna add like 3 pinches. Yeah, 3 pinches. So the first one, I wanted just like regular peach slime. And then the next one wanted like, you know the one with the bands? She wanted that slime with like a light purple color to it. And then my last friend wanted a regular white slime with bands in it. Like cerulean slime? Not really, but yeah. So we're gonna mix. Just mix that up. Got the most important part, the sealing solution. Once I'm finished, I'll just go get that. Mix it all up. So I'm so sorry for background noise. So I just added 4 more pinches. I'm just gonna go get the contact sealing solution. Okay, so I got the sealing solution. Here I have Opti-Free. If you have to use anything that has boric acid or something, I'm just gonna add that. Mix. Guys, look, it's forming. No, seriously, look. Oh my gosh, guys. Look, it's forming. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually forming. I'm just gonna add some more contact solution. It's forming. Yay! So I'm just gonna finish this slime because I still have to have time for like editing all this stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish the slime off camera. Okay, so I'm sorry, but I just added 3 more pinches of baking soda. I'm gonna add 1 squirt of hand sanitizer and probably more contact solution. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go in with my hands. This feels so cool. Oh not jiggly, but like kind of jiggly at the same time. This is literally incredible. I love this. Oh my gosh. It's gonna come off the sides. Okay, I'm gonna just get it out real quick. This is so cool. It's like milk slime. Like, it's super cool. Hi, Chip. Sorry, my Chip is like right next to me. Like in another room, but I can still see him. Gosh, so nice. So we're just gonna split it. I meant to order the other person. I forgot I already gave it to her. So yeah, let's just split it into two. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's even. Nope, definitely not even. Nope, not even. Nope, not even. It's kind of jiggly, so it's kind of hard to like get. Okay, that's close enough to even. So the first slime, the first girl just wanted a peach color slime, regular peach color slime. So I'm gonna add this color, like a peachy color, and if that doesn't change it, I'm gonna add the orange and yellow and the peach color. So yeah, let's just add them and I'll show you when I'm done, because this will take way too long if I show you guys the whole thing. That peachy-ish color, this one literally just made it pink. Now we're gonna have to add the orange and the yellow to it. I don't know why, but this literally looks so cool. I'm gonna need it. Gosh. Sorry if you can't really see that. And I'm sorry if I'm saying like what they ordered wrong. Like, I'm sorry if I'm saying and I do the wrong thing, like peach colored slime and it's like meant to be peach and bands. I don't think it is, but if it is, I'm really sorry. And if I say it wrong, I'm really sorry. I didn't really mean to do that. I just lost the list. My mom kind of threw it away. But this is the slime. I can't get it like perfectly peach. This is like the closest I can get to it. It looks way more orange than it does like on camera than it does in real life. Trust me, it's not this like orange. It looks pretty peachy to me in here. So yeah. So here's the peach slime. I'm adding the rainbow in now. That was a lot. I think I'm gonna take some off. This doesn't really like fruit slime, so I don't think that's what she's meaning. She just wants like a white slime with bands. I'm gonna take some out, and then I like it's better less than more, because you could always add more, but you can't like it'll take a lot longer to take them out. So I'm just gonna mix this up. Guys, this looks super legit. Like, it looks super cool. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay, there we go. But that's it. And I want to show you the peach one again, because I kind of showed you wrong. Okay, here's the peach one. Hope you guys feel a little better that way. There's the peach one. Okay, this is super cool. Okay, so I finished both their slime, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will give it to them on 2 Mondays? Next Monday. Wait, no. In 2 Mondays. I will give it to them because it's spring break right now. So yeah, please subscribe. Please subscribe and comment down below. Say Slime Squad and something else if you want to, and other videos I should do. And then I'll shout you out in my next video, like I did Dark Vader in my last one. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Also hit that like button and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. I said this in the beginning of the video, but I'm gonna say it again. Turn the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And comment down below. Say Slime Squad, and I'll show you all in my next video. So until next time, bye.